Are you an auto repair shop owner and you want to grow your car count, income, and profits? Maybe you're looking for more new customers, or you just need more car count. So you had a great idea. You said, you know what? I'll go out and discount it, and that way I will get more car count. Well, on this video, I'm going to tell you why you shouldn't, give you 3 reasons why it's a bad idea, and give you an alternative that works far better. So all you have to do right now is buckle up, because we're starting right now. I'm Matthew. Welcome back to Car Count Hackers. If you're a repair shop owner and you want to grow your car count, income, and profits, go ahead and smash that subscriber button, ring the bell icon. That way you won't miss a thing. So here's what it's all about. You're thinking that you need more car count, you want more new customers, and before you go any further, I'm going to link a video up here or wherever above this about the things that you need to know about new customers. But let's forget about that right now. You're just looking to get some car count. So you had a great idea. I'm going to go ahead and discount my service. I'll take that $29 oil change and I'll make it $19, $18, $17. You'll be the lowest on the block. Well, there's a few problems with that. Problem number 1 is that's not a way to support a business. You are doing the same service and getting less money for it, and you can never win on price. Why? Because there's always some a-hole down the street that's going to do it even cheaper. So get that out of your mind. Number 2, what you're really doing is limiting your market. As an example, let's say you do that oil change offer. Well, if I don't need an oil change today, it's no good to me. You may as well stand out in the middle of the road and hand out $20 bills. That would be better than giving me a discount on your service that I don't need. And understand this, when you're looking at the market, and I don't care whether it's auto repair or furniture or anything else, I guarantee you that less than 2% of the people in your market today are ready to buy. And I don't care whether that's timing belt, brake repairs, alignment, or anything else. Less than 2% of the people in your market today are ready to buy. And you're leaving the 98% out there that you're not worried about. And that's where the money is. But let's get back to this issue of discounts. The next problem with discounting is that you're really cheapening your value. You're diminishing your value. You're saying, yeah, I normally rip people off for $29, but if you come in today, it's only $18 or $19 or whatever. And that is not a long-term growth pattern. And the biggest reason why you don't want to do that is you've got a coupon clipping customer that you really can't do anything with. Look, I've talked about it on this channel. Do you want a customer to get a sale, or do you want a sale to get a customer? There's a huge difference in that, and I'll try to link that in the comments down below. But understand this, that when you have a quality customer and you've got full contact information, mailing address, you've got their mobile number so you can text them, you got their email address so you can email them, and you can now take that customer who may have just come in for an oil change or something simple and earn their trust over time to get them to come back to you. That's where discounts just really don't do it. It defies all the reasons of logic of growing a business. So what do you do? Well, it's pretty simple. Use a gift card. Now you're saying, yeah, Matthew, if I'm going to give them $20, what's the difference? $20 off or a gift card? Look, there's a huge difference. There is a huge difference in taking your reward outside of your business. Now, I've said it 100 times. I use Subway as an example. This isn't a sponsored video, and I have nothing to do with Subway. In fact, I don't even eat Subway sandwiches. But understand this. Give them, buy them lunch. Show them that they can get lunch. And if you want to take this a step further, go ahead and give them a simple card to say, here, now that you're a customer, go to this address and download your coupon for a free lunch. And that coupon can be anything, a simple printed page. And just tell them, next time you come in, you bring that download with you, or if you're smart, you'll put it on their phone, download that coupon to the phone, and I'm going to buy you lunch. So you are now making your discount far more appealing. You're talking to a customer who is now, you're encouraging them to come back for another visit, and you've got an email address and other stuff like that. If you're smart, you're going to hook that up with an autoresponder and stuff like that. But listen, I hope you got some value out of this. And if you have issues that you want to discuss, go ahead in the links below. Go ahead to Ask the Car Count Fixer and, hit me up on an email and we'll get on the phone and talk about it. Makes sense? Can't hurt anything. And if you're still here at this part of the video, go ahead over here and watch this video about free tools that will help you grow your car count, income, and profits. And the other video down below is what YouTube says you probably want to see. So I'm Matthew, the Car Count Fixer. I can't wait to see you on the next video. Take care and talk soon.